Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to display the Meet tab in your Gmail app. If you've noticed it missing or turned off and want to bring it back, don't worry, it only takes a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the features are available. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Now, scroll down through the list of options until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. If you have more than one email account added to your Gmail app, you'll see each of them listed here. Choose the account where you want the Meet tab to appear by tapping on that specific email address. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down again until you find an option labeled Show the Meet tab for video calling. This is the key setting that controls whether Google Meet appears at the bottom of your screen in the Gmail app. If the box next to this option isn't checked, tap it to turn it on. That's it. You've just enabled the Meet tab. Now, when you go back to your main Gmail screen, you'll see a new tab at the bottom for Google Meet, making it easy to start or join a video call right from your inbox. And if you ever change your mind, you can turn it off the same way. Just go back to the settings, open your account, and uncheck that same box. This little adjustment can make your Gmail app more versatile, letting you handle both email and video meetings all in one place. Thanks for watching.